This is Porsche 911 GT3.
The difference between a cup engine and a road engine here comes down to just two key components: the exhaust system and the engine control unit. The individual throttle butterflies come straight out of racing. Fitted into the street-legal car, they now provide a much better response behavior. Thus, the driver's commands are implemented instantly and more precise, which impressively underlines the very features of the naturally aspirated engine. The challenge of a high-revving engine comes with the masses that need to be accelerated and decelerated time and again. The smaller dimensions of the mass itself, the easier it is to arrange and design it. This engine really needs no sound engineering.
I hope you could find something interesting when watching a video. Thanks again for watching.
The difference between a cup